Correlative conjunction. Sometimes, it so happens that there are related matters of equal importance that you would have to convey in a single sentence. It is in these scenarios that correlative conjunctions play a role. In this video, you will learn everything about correlative conjunction, their meaning, definition and usage along with examples to help you learn easily. Also, try out the practice questions given to check how far you have understood the topic. Let's start with definition of correlative conjunction. A correlative conjunction seems to be used in pairs and they correlate in order to make connections and provide equal importance to the points that are discussed in a sentence. Here are some examples to help you understand how to use correlative conjunctions in sentences. Either you learn how to do it or you will have to face the consequences. Neither did Rachel nor her friends make it to the event. Not only did they block the road but they also kept shouting slogans. Manoj was saying that he is not sure whether he should stay back tonight or leave home immediately. No sooner did my mom complete all the kitchen work than she started cleaning the house. He'd rather do something useful than wasting time on this. My cousin did such a stupid thing that everyone mocked him. Ramesh had scarcely left work when his boss called and had to go back into the office again. There are as many spoons as there are forks. Both Indu and Sheena liked the movie How to Use Correlative Conjunctions in Sentences. Before you get too comfortable with using correlative conjunctions, there are a few pointers that you should keep in mind. The most important thing that you have to focus on when using correlative conjunctions is maintaining the subject-verb agreement in the sentence. If you are using a pair of correlative conjunctions to join two sentences with singular subjects, the verb should be singular as well. If a correlative conjunction is used to join two sentences with plural subjects, the verb should be a plural one. If a pair of correlative conjunctions are used to link sentences with a singular subject and a plural subject, the verb should agree to the subject, noun or pronoun, it is placed closest to. Using the right pronouns in accordance with the subjects in the sentence is another point you have to take care when using correlative conjunctions. If a pair of correlative conjunctions are used to link two sentences with singular nouns, the pronoun used in the sentence must be singular too. If correlative conjunctions are used to combine two sentences with plural nouns, the pronoun used in the sentence must be plural too. Here we have provided you with an exercise. Pause the video and check your knowledge of correlative conjunctions. Check the answers given below to find out how far you have understood the topic. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.